The good news is that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is being released on April the 16th. The bad news is it looks a little disappointing, and it hurts my heart to say that because I love my Pocket 3. I bought it when it was released in late 2023. You can see I put it to use. It's been over 2 years since it was released, which is a long time for tech. I was hoping the Pocket 4 would be a big leap forward, but it looks like a 1-year cycle upgrade. Some of the major features have been confirmed because there's been a lot of leaks over the past few weeks. There's pictures of the packaging and an unboxing video that I'll show you. Here's a photo of the front of the package. The Pocket 4 looks similar to the Pocket 3, but there are 2 new physical buttons right below the screen. On the back of the package, you can see some of the features. There is a 1-inch sensor, just like the Pocket 3. There's 10-bit color, just like the Pocket 3, but there is going to be 14 stops of dynamic range. Now this is a new feature. It is 2 times lossless zoom, which is similar to Insta360 clarity zoom. You can crop in 2 times, but still keep that same image quality. Oh, I like this one. This is new hardware. There's going to be 107 gigabytes of internal storage. I love that. I want all cameras to come with some sort of internal storage. There are a lot of accessories included. That makes me believe this is most likely a creator combo box. On this channel, I share the latest camera news, reviews, and how-tos. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on the DJI Pocket series. You can see the accessories in this unboxing video. I still can't tell if this is a creator bundle, but these are all the accessories you typically see in a creator bundle. Looks like there's going to be the DJI mic. That is great. I love all the DJI mics. They sound great and they work seamlessly with the DJI cameras. There's a fill light for vlogging and low light. There's a tripod. Looks like a clip to lock the gimbal. That's nice because the gimbal always moved around when it was in my pocket or bag, and this will keep it secure. And it looks like there's a couple of bags. The reason I said I'm disappointed in the Pocket 4 is it's not all that different from the Pocket 3. I damaged my Pocket 3, so I'm definitely interested in the Pocket 4, but I was just hoping for more. The price hasn't been confirmed, but the smart money is saying that the standard combo will be around $500 and the creator combo will be anywhere from $650 to $750, and that sounds about right. I'm thinking about waiting on buying the Pocket 4 because there are rumors that the Pocket 4 Pro is going to be released in the summer, and there is a big difference between the Pocket 3 and the Pocket 4 Pro. The Pocket 4 Pro is supposed to have dual lenses. There's images of it floating around online, but I don't think any of those have actually been confirmed as being accurate. But it's going to be similar to the Insta360 camera codenamed Project Luna. One thing I was considering when the Pocket 4 comes out and we see all the details, and if it does end up being not that much different than the Pocket 3, it might be a good idea just to buy the Pocket 3 again. It is a solid camera and you should get a good price on it. Are you excited about the Pocket 4? Let me know in the comments.